Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. We start with news on athletics as former Edwin Allen standout Kevona Davis clocked a wind-aided 10.83 seconds for second place at the Big 12 Outdoor Track and Field Championships some moments ago. Davis finished behind St. Lucian Julian Alfred 10.80 in the women's 100 meters. The wind reading was 2.4 meters per second. Meanwhile, on Saturday, Davis sped to a personal best 10.95 seconds to win her heat. Davis, representing the University of Texas, erased her previous best of 11.16 seconds, set in 2018 to win the girls' Class 1 100 meters at the ISA Boys and Girls Athletics Championships. As a result, the 20-year-old became the fourth Jamaican woman this year to run the 100 meters under 11 seconds and the 19th overall.
It looks like Davis of Texas out hard.
Anyway, not able to get there. Davis.
Now, the sprinter also set a new personal best in the 200 meters, clocking 22.49 seconds in her heats. That final is set for 8 p.m. tonight. Earlier, Davis, alongside Julian Alfred, Rashidat Adaleki, and Kennedy Flannel, posted 42.35 seconds to win the women's 4x100 meters in a meet record.
Adeleke off to a great start. Clean handoff. Tech is trying to keep pace. That's Kevona Davis, who ran a 10.95 yesterday.
The anchor leg now for UT.
Kennedy Flannel flying down the home stretch.
What will the time be?
Meanwhile, World Under-20 champion Akira Nugent ran a huge personal best, 12.45 seconds in the women's 100-meter hurdles. Nugent finished second behind Demisha Roswell, who posted 12.44 seconds in a new meet record. Nugent's 12.545 ranks her top 5 this year and shattered her previous personal best of 12.74 seconds set in the heats. Another Jamaican Olympic mile relay bronze medalist, Stacey Ann Williams, landed the women's 400 meters in 50.21 seconds. Meanwhile, Jamaica's Navaski Anderson of Mississippi State ran a personal best 1 minute 45.89 seconds to win the men's 800 meters at the SEC Championships on Saturday. The former St. Diego athlete is tied for 14th in the world this year and becomes only the 5th Jamaican to run under 1 minute 46, which was last done in 1996. Over in the field, Lamar Distin of Texas A&M leapt 1.95 meters to win the women's high jump event on Friday. Distin won ahead of Rachel Glenn 1.86 meters and Nayoga Bayank in a personal best 1.86 meters in third. Also on Friday, former Kingston College standout Wayne Pinnock of the University of Tennessee won the men's long jump with a leap of 8.05 meters. Countryman Kerry McLeod, also of the University of Tennessee, was second, jumping 7.91 meters, with Malcolm Clemens of Florida third in 7.84 meters.